We have an astonishing tale about Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. According to sources, the couple caused quite a stir while attempting to sneak into a movie premiere without invitations. This unfolded last weekend in Los Angeles at the Grand Hollywood premiere for the new Bob Marley documentary. As devoted reggae fans, Harry and Meghan were eager to attend this high-profile event. However, their newfound independence meant they no longer had the royal influence to secure last-minute plus ones. In an attempt to attend, Meghan, relying on her remaining industry connections, tried to secure invites, but it was too late. Undeterred, she decided to seize the opportunity for prime publicity photos and devised a risky plan for them to crash the premiere discreetly. Sources revealed that the couple arrived hoping to casually mingle on the red carpet before slipping into vacant VIP seats inside. However, strict security measures thwarted their plan as they quickly recognized the duo and asked them to leave. Things took an unexpected turn when both Meghan and Harry became belligerent, refusing to cooperate and insisting they be allowed in as important guests. Despite their demands, the guards stood firm, stating that they were not on the guest list and exceptions could not be made. With the situation escalating, event organizers had no choice but to escort the uninvited couple away from the entrance. As the commotion attracted attention, witnesses reported that Meghan was screaming insults, claiming they were trying to help the cause, while Harry allegedly shoved a guard and threatened to have their job. The embarrassing incident unfolded with onlookers filming the scene, and even celebrities from inside emerged to witness the debacle. Cell phone clips of their meltdown went viral online, with Twitter labeling it as their most ridiculous display of entitlement yet. Even celebrity friends seemed hesitant to defend them, marking a significant blow to their brand image. Since the humiliating public fallout, the Sussexes have chosen to remain silent, retreating into hiding instead of addressing the backlash. This episode raises serious questions about whether the couple's life in La La Land has fueled inflated egos accustomed to special treatment, or if underlying issues are contributing to such uncharacteristic behavior. Regardless, from royal A-listers to gatecrashers, Harry and Meghan's star appears to be fading faster than anticipated. This latest fiasco might prompt a reality check and a shift in approach, but only time will reveal what is next for the couple. Thank you for joining today's share-worthy spill session, and remember to subscribe for more updates on this captivating saga. Feel free to share your thoughts on this wild premiere incident in the comments below.